It's late at night. The house is quiet. Then suddenly, you hear it. A scratching sound coming from somewhere in the kitchen. You freeze, because deep down, you already know what it is. Mice. And once they move in, getting rid of them can feel almost impossible. But what if some of the things sitting in your kitchen right now could help discourage them? Stay with me, because today's methods might surprise you. Maybe you've opened a cabinet and found food packages chewed open. Maybe you've discovered tiny droppings hidden behind appliances. Or maybe you've heard those unsettling sounds in the walls while trying to sleep. It's frustrating. It's stressful. And it can leave you wondering if the problem will ever end. Most people try everything. Traps, poison, sprays, store-bought repellents. Yet somehow, the mice always seem to return. So today, we're looking at 3 popular home remedies that people have used in an attempt to control or discourage mice. Keep in mind that results can vary, and these methods may not work in every situation. The first method starts with a common mosquito coil. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and often already available in many households. Break the coil into small pieces and crush it into a fine powder. Next, take some dried beans and crush them into a powder as well. Combine the 2 ingredients together. Then add a spoonful of sugar. Mix everything thoroughly. Some people believe this mixture becomes more attractive to pests while masking stronger odors. Cut a tomato in half. Place a small amount of the mixture on top. Then, position the halves in areas where mouse activity has been noticed. The second method uses ingredients many people already have at home: flour, sugar, and white cement. Mix everything together thoroughly. Then, place small amounts into shallow containers and set them in areas where mice are frequently seen. This is another traditional home remedy that some people use, although its effectiveness has not been scientifically proven. The third method focuses on repelling rather than attracting. Mix dish soap with water. Then add a few drops of peppermint or lemon essential oil. Many people use strong scents like these in an effort to discourage mice from entering certain areas. Spray around corners, cabinet gaps, behind appliances, and other places where mouse activity is suspected. This approach is often used as a temporary deterrent. No matter which method you try, remember that home remedies don't always work in every situation. For the best results, focus on prevention. Store food in sealed containers. Clean up crumbs and spills promptly. Reduce clutter. Seal cracks and entry points around your home. And eliminate sources of standing water whenever possible. Because the less food, shelter, and access mice have, the less likely they are to stay. If you're dealing with a serious mouse problem, traps or professional pest control may be more effective than home remedies alone.
Have you ever dealt with mice in your home? Which method would you try first? Leave a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Home DIY Tips, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.